Well, welcome to the Simple Simon channel here on YouTube. Alright, so today we're just going to be changing out some grips on the ZH2. Taking the stock grips and we're going to go to Domino grips. And I kind of like the Domino grips because they have the dual compound and they have the multicolor. I mean, a grip is a grip is a grip, right? Unless you have heated grips, then you don't want to do this. So these are the A250 road racing grips. I've already changed out the throttle side, and we're going to come along with me, and we're just going to change out the non-throttle side or the clutch side with the green Domino. Just a quick little easy simple video. Come on. So on the ZH2, what we're going to need is a 6mm hex. So most likely your bar end has some Loctite on it, so it may be a little bit of a struggle to first get it off. And we're gonna, look at that. Is that red or Loctite? It almost looks like it's red. So we're gonna go back with orange then. And if you've seen any of my other how to remove grips video, you know that I like to use air. So with some air, we're just gonna stick it in this end right here. Now, most likely I won't reuse these grips. You could just cut them with a knife, but. All right, so we're pushing the air in, gonna break up this glue. Do a little twist. So in comparison, so the thickness, it feels a little soft, but then it stops and it stops compressing. The Domino feels like it's, because I do know that the Domino has dual compound, so it might have a softer outer layer and a harder inner layer to allow better feel and comfort. But I don't know, they both feel really good. But I do like the fact that this flare is bigger on the stock grip, where your hand sits up against it. This one's smaller. And I think the reason is because these are for track use also. So this is where you secure wire it with wire right there. But anyway, so let's clean this off. Take a little hand sanitizer and slide a new one on. Alright, little hand sanitizer. Just gonna put it on there like that. Take the new grip. Slide it on. Take a little air. All right, there we go. So we want to, before the hand sanitizer dries, we want to line up our grip. All right. So sweet. It looks great. I want to see how it does without glue. And if we'll come back and put glue on it if I need to. I didn't put glue on the throttle side, and it's been fine. All right, so we're going to take a little orange. Put on our threads. Give it a snug, and there we go. Now we got some new grips. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Stay safe.